Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing only what's essential. A project in Android Studio and Firebase configured. Add the Google services. JSON to app/, then update build. Gradle files and syncso dependencies resolve. Once done, add the Firebase messaging dependency and the Google Services plugin. This enables cloud messaging. Make sure your app ID matches the Firebase entry. You now have the foundation required to register for push tokens and to receive messages, so proceed to implement the messaging service. Now implement the core subclass Firebase messaging service and override on new token to capture and upload the token to your backend, and on message received to handle incoming payloads. Once you receive messages, construct notifications using notification compat. Builder and include intent so taps open activities. For Android 8. 0 and above, create a notification channel once, configuring importance and sound. Make sure to handle data messages versus notification messages differently. Data gives you control, whereas notification payloads may be finished by testing pushes. Send a test message from the Firebase console or via your server's FCM post using the device token. Verify on device logs that on message received runs and that your notification displays with the expected channel and intent. If delivery fails, confirm internet permission, the correct Google services, JSON, and that app ID and SHA1 in Firebase match your build. One key troubleshooting tip: if tokens don't register, remove the app, clear data, reinstall, and check logcat for Firebase initialization errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.